This is the best proofing solution out there, and it is amazing. If you work with a team, you have to pay attention and soak this in. This is great stuff. Marcus, please show us.
Show us. Hi, everybody. So thank you very much for taking time to come and listen to me. So actually, it's 3 ways you can change the game for you and your team. In addition to leaving basic markup, PageProof goes above and beyond just basic annotation. When it comes to knowing more information about the file that has been sent, we have a widget over on the side of the proofing screen. You pop it open, it shows you the fonts that are being used in the design, so they can check the brand to make sure we're using the right fonts. We've got the color profile listed here. We've got, it's a 5-color print job, so we're showing the plates, and also the linked files in the proof. So this is really great for your reviewers. They can check the technical aspects of the proof as well. For those that are into packaging design, we have a color separation view. So this is PageProof Color Set. It's showing all the separation plates for here, and you can just click through and you can see the cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and also the Pantone here as well. We've got tools here. For example, the ruler tool. So the ruler tool lets you measure elements on the screen, on the proof. So you can go through and you can just click and drag and actually go through and say, well, what size are these elements on the proof? So it lets you do that, which is handy. We give you a diagonal measurement as well for those people that like to see that. That's also there. There is also here under the Magic Tools, grid lines. So you've seen these grid lines before. You pull them in and you can check alignment. So your reviewers have got a full toolkit there for making sure things are the way they expect. In the Magic Tools, there is a barcode scanner. So click on the barcode scanner, it goes away and says, I'm going to detect these barcodes, and then it pops out where the barcodes and QR codes on the proof are. And if you hover over them, it gives you more information about that QR code or the barcode. And in fact, if you click it, you can make a comment off that barcode. We sat down one day and we thought, here is a proof that I've been working on with my team, and there's already 3 comments here. So this is great. And John just sent me his PDF. And you can see John's been putting markup very happily in Acrobat. And I'm thinking, well, this is no good. How am I going to use this in my PageProof workflow? Well, turns out now you can click on here in the Magic Tools and you can import comments. So you just choose the file that you've been given. So this is John's final changes, final. And then I can import those comments from that Acrobat file, just import them. It brings them in, gives you a summary, and now you can see there are John's comments on the PDF, on the PageProof proof. And take a look at number 3. So one thing about PageProof, it's a platform. And you've seen a whole lot of pretty cool things that it can do. But there is another thing that we do really, really well, and that is integrate with all of your tools that you're using. So we have integrations with things like Slack, Teams, Monday.com, ClickUp, all sorts of different products. So if you're using any of these tools, PageProof will integrate with them. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go off script a little bit and jump into a live demo. Okay, so this is Monday.com. We have already essentially connected PageProof into Monday. It adds a whole lot of features to the Monday interface. And as I said, we do this with a whole range of other project management tools as well. So when you open up a work item, there's a PageProof button inside here that says Create Proof. We've added interface into Monday. And so you say, okay, let's create a proof. It says, well, you want to make a proof of which file? So I can choose a file that I've drag and dropped into Monday. So I can either use this Word document or maybe this PDF. Or if I'm doing email proofing, I can create an email proof here. So there's some great options here. And I click on Create Proof. That pops us into PageProof. This is the PageProof proof setup screen. All I need to do at this point is grab hold of a PageProof workflow. So these are the workflows I was talking about earlier, where you can move the proof from step to step to step, and it will do it all for you. So you can set up these workflow templates, and in this case, we're going from creative check to the product team, then to legal, and then finally to our final approver. So this is a PageProof workflow. So if I send this out, send out our proof, and this then will update all the information over in monday.com. So if I look here now at monday.com, all the information will be updated across here. So you can see it says it's in proofing. We can see the workflow, the team, it's the step it's up to. So all of the information that you see from PageProof is now clicking back into monday.com and updating the statuses inside of here automatically. So
Thank you, Marcus. That is amazing to see. I love all of that.